Came across a QZTP file and your usual programs don't recognize it? This extension is rare with limited documentation about its origins. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through identifying and opening these obscure QZTP files. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single highly effective QZTP file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. QZTP files are uncommon files without published format documentation. They may originate from specialized industry software, custom development tools, or proprietary data systems. Determining the source application is critical for proper opening and use of these unusual file extensions. Without specifications, QZTP files require investigation to identify format. They may contain compressed, encrypted, or proprietary binary data. Hex header analysis combined with file signature databases helps determine the underlying format and identify which application originally created the file. HXD developed by Mael Hertz serves as the industry application standard for QZTP. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows offers no decoding ability, so a compatible legacy viewer is essential. We need to check all possibilities, right-click the QZTP file and select Open With. If HXD is there, use it. If not, choose a different program. It's often a simple matter of finding the right software hook. When your QZTP file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Since the software rejected the file, we need to find the root cause. Here are the 3 essential steps we will take right now to isolate the problem. First, investigating the origin. Check where the QZTP file came from, including email attachments, software installations, or download sources. Review related files in the same folder for clues about the originating application. The Properties dialog in Windows may reveal additional metadata pointing to the source program. Next, examining file headers. Open the QZTP file in HXD Hex Editor or Notepad++ Text Editor to examine first bytes and content. Format signatures in the header may match known patterns for compressed text or binary formats. Readable text content suggests configuration or data files from specific applications. Finally, using universal viewers. Try File Viewer Plus or other universal file viewers that support hundreds of formats. These applications often identify and display obscure file types. If automated tools fail, contact the file sender or original software vendor for guidance on which application opens the QZTP format. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.